If you have been thinking about making school chalk and all the time you have been wondering, how can I learn this skill? I've brought for you a video explaining to you the process for chalk making by using this IMM gunmetal machine. The process starts with acquiring your POP. Of course, that bag of POP you are seeing comes in 40 kilograms. So for the IMM gunmetal machine 800 capacity, you'll definitely be able to measure 3 kilograms. Measuring equal quantity of water, those are 3 liters of water. Then you mix. You make sure you mix very well POP with water, and it should dissolve very, very well. Don't take a lot of time mixing because POP will immediately start solidifying. The next process is actually you pouring your mixture into our IMM gunmetal machine. Remember, this machine has holes. Even if you pour this liquid downside there, it cannot pass through. So after pouring in your mixture very, very well, make sure it is equally distributed in all the holes. And you should do this process actually faster, because the moment this POP solidifies on top there, it will enter the holes unevenly, and of course you'll have a lot of damages on your pieces of chalk. So ensure the machine is always clean, and also make sure you pour in evenly so that all the holes are filled very well, so that you should not get any damages on your pieces of chalk. Then after pouring in this mixture, you remain with a few mixture on top that will help you to smoothen the top part. So make sure you have a small balance of the mixture on top. So you evenly distribute all these mixtures slowly by slowly, and make sure all of them enters the hole. If there is any foreign substance that you identify, you actually have to make sure you remove it, because it will damage the chalk. So now after pouring in is done, you make sure you smoothen the top part. Then you will wait for 8 to 10 minutes. After smoothing the top part, you can wait for 8 to 10 minutes for this POP to actually solidify. The moment it hardens, you actually gently push it out of the machine. Don't remove it completely. You gently push it out. Then later on, you can push out the chalk at once, and all of the chalk will come out. And you can see our chalk is smart. It is the best in the market. Remember, we have these machines available at an affordable price, and we offer free training for every client who comes to buy the machine from us. So please, when it comes to chalk, we are the leading suppliers of chalk machines, chalk materials, packaging boxes, and everything. So come to our site and acquire yourself this business skill. You can ideally see how smart our chalk looks like. You can see how smart our chalk looks like. It is excellent, acceptable in the market, and you can compete with anyone you find in the market. So now after that is done, you have to move your chalk and take it for drying. Of course, this whole process is supposed to be done in a careful manner to avoid unnecessary damages. Even though these chalk are hard by this time, but you should be careful how you carry them and how you dry them, because that is the process that actually creates much more damages. So you can gently put them on the drying racks and wait. If these drying racks are in an open space, make sure you have a tarpaulin that you can cover whenever it threatens to rain. Never wait until it rains. If this chalk, it rains on this chalk, you're completely finished. They will not write on the board if they dry again. So make sure you never expose these chalks to direct water apart from the water you used in making them. That is an important point. Remember, we do packaging of all kinds. All you are seeing are brands from different companies. We have done brands for different companies abroad, and we help you go through that process. So our site is a one-stop area. We shall help you get started fully in this business. We shall not send you anywhere else for something. We are going to handle all the burden when it comes to this business. Materials, training, machines, and packaging boxes all are available at our site. So please check on the description of this video. You'll get my number. Contact me in case you're interested in this school chalk business. Remember, I recommend this business because it is one of the most profitable business you can start now. Our population is increasing. Even if you are not in Uganda, the world population is generally increasing, and most schools are actually coming out nowadays. So you have an opportunity. You have a lifetime business. You have a business that has demand all year round. In some countries, like South Sudan, like Somalia, there is a very big demand for school chalk. By the way, you can even think about exporting this chalk to those countries. If you meet their standards, you can definitely win a big market in those different African countries. So this business is ideally profitable. As you can see, a small box you can see contains 150 pieces, and that production cost of that small box is approximately 1,600 Uganda shillings, and that box in the market is almost 3,000 Uganda shillings. In some areas 4,000 and some areas even 5,000. It means you can make 100% profits from this business. All you do is to make sure that you have got a relevant and enough market for your products, and then acquire a machine that can offer you commercial production, make enough racks, store enough material, and start making money. Remember, when you buy things in large quantities, you save a lot on transport and also on costs. So that is a business strategy that I would like to share with you. When you buy in large quantities, you enjoy prices, reduction powers. So ensure always save capital and buy things in large quantity to enjoy better prices. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If this is your first time to watch me, kindly subscribe to this channel. And if you have been here from the previous days and years, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. Bye-bye.